I looked up Moses Lake and it said partly cloudy today. So I'm hoping once I start going north into Washington, I get into the clouds again. I think the middle of the windshield is the worst for the bugs, and then the bottom part of the camera, right in front of the camera, doesn't look too bad. So hope it looks all right. And I haven't smeared any of them, so it's a little easier to ignore when you watch it. I found out nothing worse than a bug smear. Oh, this is so pretty. I mean, look at that. Look at that river. Second biggest river in the country after, what, the Mississippi? Unfortunately, I have 60 more miles roughly of driving by the river before hopefully I lose the bugs. So when we go north toward Pasco, we're going to go north from Pasco to Moses Lake and take a highway that I've never done before. So I'm hoping it'll be neat. And then once we get to Moses Lake, we'll have to decide to take Highway 2 or Highway 20 is my goal, but I don't think we'll have time to do Highway 20. Highway 2 might not be bad. Or do we just get on 90 and go home? I don't want to go through Tacoma until like 7:30, so there's no rush there. The river is so wide here because of the dam. Philippi Canyon, exit 123. That looks fun. I almost wonder if that's a gravel dirt road. Oh, I don't know. I can't tell. It's probably paved. There's a bunch of highways that go south from the Columbia River Gorge, and they go up in the plateau or the desert area of central and eastern Oregon. That's where I want to go when I finally get the tent platform installed, which has been delayed again, unfortunately. But that's why I'm taking a trip though now in the RV. Basically, when I got the Lightner rack system, that took that took 5 to 6 weeks, and they said it would take, I think, 4. Well, so the tent platform, basically, they said it would take a month, and it's going to end up taking 2 months. So basically, this is getting the tent platform from the start to the finish is going to be like a 3 to 4 month ordeal. I mean, I'm going to be super happy when I get it. And if I ever sell this truck, it's going to be worth its weight, you know, and what I paid for it. Like, I'll get my money back. I don't plan on selling it, but they're so hard to get. It takes so long. Windshield wiper. I don't know if I had the camera tilted enough. Hopefully I did. I tilted it a little more. Wow, there's a big barge on the river. Wow, the little tugboat pushing it is so small. If you didn't have the tugboat there, you would think the barge was small. That is neat. This part of the gorge is definitely hot in the summer. I want to say it's 100 degrees come, you know, late June through end of August. Started filming at probably what, 10 o'clock, so I think I've got 3 hours of video now. Yeah, at least another 3 or 4, I hope, minimum. And then Friday, if I do the Mount Rainier thing, get a lot more. We're gonna start hiking more come July because all the snow will have melted, and probably do a little less driving, except when I go on my trips, like with the tent. So basically we were getting 32 miles a gallon. That's with the rack in the back and 2 bikes, you know, attached to it. We're still getting, I don't even think it affects the gas mileage, honestly. The tent will definitely affect it a little bit, but it's pretty aerodynamic. It's only 8 inches tall, and in the front of it is kind of aerodynamic. So it shouldn't be that bad. So here is Blaylock Canyon, or Blalock, not really sure how you say it. Oh, we're finally going up in elevation on the Oregon side. So we'll probably end this video in Arlington, it looks like. That'll be kind of long, but because we're about 40 minutes now. That'll make that like a 50-minute video. I don't know. We might just have to break it up into several parts. Wow. So a lot of these exits, there's no return to freeway eastbound if you get off here. That's like the second or third time we've found an exit like that. So it would suck if you're not paying attention and get off and then realize you got to go drive west again and do, find another exit and turn around. Ah, there's some windmills on the Oregon side now. I wonder what road that is. Oh, I think it's just a gravel road, it looks like. Oh, that looks fun though. If it goes anywhere. It almost looks like it's a ranch or something. Wow, views are just amazing. Looking over into Washington. Horse Thief Lake. We camped there last fall. Really neat park, state park in Washington, right by the river. No, I think Horse Thief Lake State Park is way behind us. This just looks familiar. One thing I like about our RV is that it's halfway aerodynamic, unlike these Class A's that are just boxes. I would never want a Class A, I don't think. Never have enough money where I want to waste it on a Class A. You just can't do so much. They're so big, you can't take them so many places. And the gas mileage is horrible. I think we're gonna, I think we'll definitely just get a little trailer if we, ever get another RV. I think we're done with motorized motorhomes. Once, the one we have, once we wear it out. Get a little trailer, 20 feet long, 10, 20 grand. Probably, yeah. Be perfect. And we wouldn't have a cat at that point. So, no pets. Unless we ended up getting a dog someday. Wow, there must be another dam down there because the river is super wide. Usually when I did this drive, it was always in the summer, and it was so hot. I remember stopping at Pendleton, Oregon a lot for like fuel, and I would get out and it would be like a blast furnace because it's always windy there too. But it's 75 out now. It's perfect. So I'm really interested to see how hot the inside of the platform tent gets when it's shut. So say I've been driving all day and then I go to open it, set it up. Like, is it going to be just baking on the inside, or do they have decent insulation to? And it's also aluminum, you know, on the outside, so maybe it'll reflect. I don't know. I'm sure it cools off fast, just because it's 3 sides of it are open, you know. But I guess I really wonder, because I'm curious as to what I can keep up there when I'm driving. Maybe I'll just keep my clothes up there, and you know, the bedding stays up there too. Be nice if I could keep some non-perishable food even up there, because it's got to be less hot than the truck gets, you know, because it's not surrounded by glass. So we have 43 miles and we'll be to I-82 north, it looks like. Oh, they have a nice spot on the other side to pull over. Nothing on my side, though. Arlington is at 1 mile. Pat's Pheasant Grill sounds good. If it really sells pheasant. Probably not. Fossil John Day, next right. Elevator by the water there. I don't want to stop here. And there's places to park your RV and boat trailer. Well, I think we're going to end this just because I'm not sure. This video is getting really long. So this is Arlington, Oregon. And thanks for watching.